Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T Sportline, and today I want to have a conversation with you about the stock Tesla 18-inch Aero wheels for a Tesla Model 3. So as you probably know, this is the standard wheel that comes with the car, and a lot of people are actually opting for this wheel for a variety of reasons. Now, while we would love for you to purchase our 18-inch TST wheels because we think that's a cooler look than these Aero wheels, you do have another option with us, and this is a new accessory package that we have specifically for those of you that have these wheels, plan to take the Aero covers off. These are actually a hubcap, if you will, that snap right off, which I'll show you in a moment. And then behind that is actually what they call the pinwheel. So this is really the Aero cover, and then you have the pinwheel underneath. The problem is the pinwheel is quite unfinished. So let me show you what we have to offer to help clean up the look. First thing what you want to do is you want to just snap off the Aero cover. Just take it off completely. It snaps right off, snaps right on. And now we offer a package of Tesla Model 3 lug nut covers in black. That really helps clean up the look because you could see the stock lug nuts, they're all raw, kind of unfinished silver. Doesn't look very good. And then there's no center cap. The center cap in the Aero wheel is attached permanently and cannot be removed. So you kind of need 4 Tesla center caps. So that's exactly what we have now, is a package that includes all the necessary lug nut covers and 4 Tesla factory original center caps. So take a look at the wheel. It's gray and finished, kind of a metallic gray. Looks pretty cool. Not as cool as our TST wheels. But if we go ahead and install the center cap, which snaps right in, and then our lug nut covers, and these just slide on. Pressure fit, not gonna fall off. Easy to install, easy to remove also. Comes with a little tool. And there you go. So much cleaner looking than what we started off with. And for $100, it's really a no-brainer. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, please. We really appreciate it. And also, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more videos coming your way, all Tesla. Thank you.